This is where we ran an underground pipe from our laundry room, which is right here on the patio floor, just up ahead there. On the other side of that wall is the washing machine. And we just ran a pipe out underground right down to here. And we have a couple buckets in there right now. And this is also like a place that can receive water because it's a deep hole. And we are using buckets to gather some of the water as well and distribute. So that's very fun. And thankfully my sweet husband did all of that. It's amazing, he's a plumber, right? So cool. And there's some extra dirt that we got from that project, so that's fun. And there's the shower. Yes. And our little Aloha Food Forest sign. There is that tree that's quite 60 years old that makes the best oranges. So we're giving it some little buckets of water too, and I get some exercise from that. So yeah, you can see. Oh, and my son Jordan helped dig this hole, which was so very sweet. Oh my goodness. He's been such a big help here at the Food Forest. And so look at all of this beautiful greenery that we have right here. This was recently cut from the front yard. Like, I was out there today in my little dress, my cool dress, just trimming these little pieces off of the trees. And these are the golden medallion flowers, golden showers trees. They're cassia. And they make these long pods, and they're nitrogen fixing. So they're a great pioneer tree that people use to get a lot of green, nitrogen rich covering, because those leaves make a good covering. So what I plan to do is mow over this, and then inside of the mower will be some good stuff. Let's see what I have here from earlier. Yeah, look at this. Let me pull this out. Okay, so yes, look at this beautiful green leafy mulch. Now this feeds things that are growing leaves. So also they break it down back into essential components that the trees can take up. So it's a beautiful design. So I'll take you out to the big trees and show you where we harvested. So this is the front yard food forest garden. So fun. This used to be just one banana tree, and now it's a whole banana grove. And look at this, it's so cute. Bananas growing. Yes. So this is where I did a lot of trimming from today. This part I didn't trim as much as I did over here. I trimmed off a lot of the growth on this tree, which is the same as that tree up there. I trim them, I harvest them for soil improvement. They're an asset for soil improvement. Plus I trimmed the mulberry and this to make more sunshine for the citrus tree now. See that? The oranges are here, but they need sunshine. But they're stretching out. They're trying to get some more sunshine, getting a little taller. So I harvested quite a bit of this tree today too. Just sort of open up this area here around the trunk and cut off some of the lower branches, which are fun to harvest because they have all these beautiful leaves. So I've been kind of raising this tree up, raising the canopy up really high. And that allows a lot more sunlight to get into the citrus. So that's fun. And this is another mulberry that just came and planted right here. These two. Boom and boom. You know, I think the birds plant these gardens. LOL, I really do. I mean, things show up. A lot of amazing plants just show up. Just by trimming the stuff. Oh, and I trimmed this pigeon pea quite a bit too. Here's the macadamia. I'm not trimming this one at all. Except maybe just a little bit to get underneath it if I need to. But everything's so beautiful. So we're still getting a lot of macadamias. It's fun. Yeah. So all the green leaves are so helpful for everything, for making things get better and greener. And they share, but they also need air. Like, see, this one is getting a little bit too little bit air. So it needs more breeze. So I think that I opened up this canopy a bit more today in height, and it'll be able to get a nice breeze and some sunshine. And the same with the other citrus over here, a bit more sunshine. Yes. Okay, so this is very fun. This is a hot and sunny day, but we had so much shade that the orange tree wasn't getting enough sunlight. So very good. That's a good thing. We're just cutting back a little bit, and I'll just show you the tomato vine layer. There it goes right up the fence. That's on the east side. So nature is infinitely abundant and wise. So when you work with nature's energy, you get all those benefits. Okay, yes. So this is the little food forest that I've talked about in many videos about the size of it. It's just right along the edge of our driveway. Just to give you perspective that this is not out in the jungles of some remote country. This is right here in good old Southern California. So you see you have the tall trees right there. That's the macadamia and the cassia. And then you see this prominent shrub layer here in the front. But then when you look in the back there, there's the citrus not getting enough sunlight from in the afternoons. So today that was our project, was to make some more sunlight and fresh air for the citrus back there. And then treat the trimmings as the harvest that they are, and use those to nourish other plants in the garden. So everybody wins. It's super fun. Okay, well, I thank you for watching the video. You can learn more at alohafoodforest.com. Then Food Forest University, that's Food Forest University website. And yeah, I hope you're enjoying experimenting in your own garden or a community garden. Or you can even plant good things wherever you go. Yes. Okay, so I'm going to leave you with this pretty purple passion flower and bid you aloha.